Hello, thank you. Good, thank you, really happy. The clinic is absolutely spotless. Everybody's helpful. All the communication by you straight away. And yes, the clinic is very modern, ultra modern. Everything's high spec. Really, really impressed. Well, really overwhelmed, really overwhelmed. I never thought my teeth would be so perfect. Just really, really overwhelmed, over the moon with my new smile. I can't wait to show everybody. Yes, highly, highly recommend you. It's been absolutely, the service from day one up to now has been second to none, so I will definitely be recommending you to people back in the UK, absolutely. That's a hard question to, speechless. I felt speechless. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. Just absolutely over the moon, and I can't stop smiling. I love my new smile, really love it.
Thank you.
Thank you.